Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you looking for some new cookware? You definitely will be satisfied if you go with this awesome 3-piece set from Cookersway. This is a beautiful set of 3 pans. You can see that you have a variety of sizes, which makes it really easy to cook small items up to a large meal. I really love the quality of these pans. They are absolutely beautiful. They are beautiful cream white color, and they're made with great materials like ceramic and stainless steel. The pans are super easy to cook with. Everything slides around with no problem, and they clean up so nicely as well. I really love that the pans feel really heavy duty. They feel like good quality, and they're even oven safe and dishwasher safe. This cookware set would be perfect if you need an upgrade or if you need to get started with all of your cooking skills. They're a beautiful set of pans that stack nicely, and they're ready anytime I need to make my next meal. But that's just my point of view.